Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a payment method on Jotform. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to set up payments on your forms, you're definitely in the right place. Jotform makes it incredibly easy to integrate payment methods so your customers can transact effortlessly, and we're here to guide you through the entire process. First things first, let's head over to jotform.com. If you're already a user, go ahead and sign in using your existing credentials. But if you haven't yet created an account, you'll need to do that first. Once you're all set up and logged in, it's time to move forward. You'll want to find the specific form you wish to modify. You can access your forms directly from your dashboard or by navigating through your workspace. If you've organized your forms into folders, this makes it even simpler to find the one you're looking for. Now that you've located your form, it's time to enter the form builder. You can do this by simply selecting the form you want to work on. Look to the upper left corner of your screen, and you'll find a button that says Add Form Element. Clicking on this button is your first step towards adding new fields or features to your form. Once the panel opens up, take a moment to look through the options. You should see a tab labeled Payments. This tab is your gateway to integrating various payment methods. Clicking on it will reveal a wide array of payment gateways that Jotform supports. Whether you're planning to set up PayPal, Stripe, Square, or any other service, you'll find them all listed right here. After deciding which payment gateway suits your needs, type its name into the search bar and select it once it appears. This is where the real setup begins. Jotform will guide you through the necessary steps to connect your chosen payment gateway with your form. Typically, you'll need to input your API keys, which are unique identifiers provided by your payment gateway. Alternatively, some services might require just your email and password. Having your payment gateway details ready will make this step a lot smoother. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided by Jotform to complete the connection. This part is crucial to ensure that your form is securely set up to receive payments. If you find yourself stuck at any point, remember that many payment gateways offer extensive help sections and customer support services that can assist you in the setup process. Once you've successfully linked your payment gateway to your form, you'll see an option to use at the end of the setup. Clicking on this option will finalize the entire process. And just like that, your Jotform is now ready to accept payments. This seamless integration allows your customers to transact with ease. We hope this comprehensive guide from PMN Online has been helpful in showing you how to add a payment method on Jotform. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to add payment method on Jotform. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.